what's up? It's Brian with More Van Ever. Hey, I got some questions about the 3500 big brake kit that I just posted about. So I just wanted to do an unboxing and answer any questions that you guys might have. First of all, I want to show you what's inside the packaging. All right, the first thing that you're going to get inside the box is this instruction manual from Rotora. Rotora makes these big brake kits. These are called the Challenge HDs. So you're going to get the instruction manual here. These two boxes right here, these are the disc rotors. You're going to get these big brake kit disc rotors, two-piece. This is the hat, this is the rotor right here. You can notice that they're ventilated. Each box is going to be a left and a right, and then each one of those boxes is going to be a front and a rear. The default option is slotted, but they do come drilled if you want them to. They're special ordered. At the bottom of the box, you're gonna get two of these foam packages. You're gonna get this kit is the front, so you've got 6 pistons. This is the big brake kit right here. And the brake pads are already installed in there. The factory finish is zinc, but it can be powder coated to any color that you want. In the next package, you're gonna get the hardware to install. You've got your steel braided brake lines, and then your hardware brackets, as well as the bolts. All right, ask me some questions. It's question time. Okay. So I got the big brake kit for my Sprinter because there wasn't anything available. There was no 3500 big brake kit, and so I approached Rotora to do a collaboration with them, and they willingly made a big brake kit specifically for the Mercedes Sprinter 3500. One of the main reasons why I got the big brake kit is not only the stopping power, but I upgraded to a super single wheel, and that gave me the ability to get a bigger wheel with bigger tires, and with that you've got more rotational weight and mass, and so the big brake kit really helps with that stopping power on and off-road. The big brake kit does require 17-inch wheels. There is a big difference in braking power. You're gonna notice immediate stopping when you need it with that OEM feel, so it's not feeling like jerky. But because the 3500s are so heavy, I think it's important to have a big brake kit that will stop your Sprinter when there's like an obstacle in the road or there's debris where you're gonna have good stopping power to avoid an accident. So if you're interested in a big brake kit like this one from Rotora, you can find it exclusively on shadowmark.com, which is shadowmark, instead of a K it's a Q.com, and you'll see the big brake kit for the 3500 on there, as well as some dealers like Vanguard that will help install and sell them to you.